This is model number 225, rash driving warning system for highway police. We know the time difference between two spots. There is one spot here, another spot here. The time difference between two spots, one in advance to the other in the direction. In this direction the vehicle will move. So this is the first point, this is the second point. Is fed to the circuit to convert the same to speed of a vehicle and warn if the same exceeds a specified limit by a buzzer sound. Meaning, now we have a setting arrangement here of 60 km, limit crossing 60 km, and we take this side the limit crossing 40 kilometers. And for the 60 kilometers, for the calculation what we have done, we have assumed that this is the 100-meter distance, and for 60 kilometers, now if within 9 seconds, if it is crossing, that means it is crossing more than 60 kilometer speed. Now if it is crossing from here to here, more than 9 seconds, that means it is taking more time, so it is not running at 60 kilometer speed. Let me clarify again. Now if it takes longer time, that means more than 9 seconds, it is running at less than 60 kilometer speed. If it is taking shorter time to reach here, this 100-meter distance, it means that it is crossing more than 60 kilometer speed, because if it reaches before 9 seconds, it calculates that it is crossing 60 kilometer speed. Now we will see that operation, and we'll see, now supposing the vehicle crosses here, we find it is calculating in the seconds we can find here. Now if it is less than 9 seconds I operate, or more than 9 seconds, that means it is less than 60 kilometer speed. Now we will go over to another setting. Now supposing the vehicle comes, and supposing less than 9 seconds I pass, you see now it says that the vehicle is having more than 60 kilometer speed. Similarly, we have for the 40 kilometer speed, and that also it can be verified. And 40 kilometer speed, what we have calculated, is for the 100-meter distance, it's about 6 seconds. Now similarly, when the vehicle comes here, now supposing in less than 6 seconds it passes, it is crossing the speed limit. Now if it is taking more time, now if it is taking more than 6 seconds, now the speed is normal, that it is not crossing 40 kilometer speed. So this is what is to calculate the rash driving warning system for the highways used by the police. Thank you.